Alright, hey y'all. It's Missy Ann from Hopkins Dirty South Homestead. That's Diamond. For those of y'all that wants an update on Diamond, she's over here in the turnip greens. She tends to be doing just fine. She's about the smartest chicken we got now. She loves her some turnip greens. Got these over here. Wants to be scoundrels. They found them something a while ago. Had them a little fight about it. The Lightning, she's done had her wings done. Diamond ain't gonna be touched. One gray had hers. Diamond still in turnip green, staying close to her pen. Now, here's some. My Sapphire Gems over here. Some of them enjoying the tomato plants in the grass. And we got these over here by my little tiki hut, where Mama keeps her toes and cane posts. Yep. They all over there. I see somebody been digging. Nico was out this morning. This is another part of our homestead. There's that MF'er. Yeah. She's beautiful. There's that old welder we got from Cousin Willie. Now he's gonna turn him some dirt and get him some seed in the ground. This one that you're seeing right now is Justice. Can you sit for Mama? Sit, sit, sit. Good boy. Good boy, Justice. Can I have the other one? Yes, that's my boy. Yeah. Okay, that's Justice. He's a German Shepherd. We got him from Davis, Mississippi. We really appreciate them getting that one. And we got this one right here. The loudmouth Nico. He's the rowdiest one of the bunch, you might say. And he was trained on the shot collar. He's a blue heeler, full-blooded. Daddy or Mama, one of them was blue, one of them was red. Yep. Daddy named him Nico Moon. And then here we got the big dog. One we've had the longest, Debo. And Debo, he used to run free. We had to put him on the chain. Yeah, we had to put him on the chain because of neighbors. Which he's just a big old up dog. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. It's my Debo. It's my Debo. Yes. Yes, he guards this side. Justice got that side. Ain't nothing coming up in the yard without Nico knowing. And go around through here. I think I hear some more chickens in the woods. They ain't cooperating. Some of them got Diamond. She's still over here close to the coop. But yeah, this is really fun. Y'all hold on just a minute and let me pull this up. Three in the garden. Some in the woods. What are you ladies doing back here? Get over here and get the bugs out of my garden. Get them on. Get out of the woods. Get out of the woods, ladies. Now, come on. Yard time's yard time. Leghorn, don't do it. Yep, come on, ladies. Let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it. To the garden. Lightning, to the garden. To the garden, Lightning. Yeah, y'all go on around. Go on around with the rest of them. Go on. Don't be a hard one. Look, we ain't got to go everywhere. My lands. Some of them in the woods. Okay, y'all. I'm just going to set y'all up here. Let y'all video. I ain't done nothing in a while because a good friend of ours passed away. Mr. Frank. And He was 88 years old. Y'all saw me. Nico, we fix you. Hush. We showed his happy birthday, part 1, part 2, at the nursing home. He was up on the hill at the manor. He had him pretty rough childhood, but lots of stories to tell. And he's a one of a kind, and he was Mighty Marty's best friend, 88 years old. But pray for Frank and Jan, the Yanks, that Mr. Frank the Yank, they'll know he's in peace, and y'all just remember them in their prayers, because it's Thursday from 4 to 8, I believe. If not, I'll pop in here and say I messed up. Do that a lot. Get some MRIs done today. And got to immediately call back from the doctor. But that's all good. But anyway, I wanted to give y'all an update and let y'all see what we're doing. We're just having some chicken run fun. I'm letting them get the bugs and stuff out of my garden, so y'all just watch on. Stay far down, lady. Stay far down. Go back up to the other end of the garden, please. It's a pit bull dog. I mean, are y'all not scared? Come on. No. Diamond, you need to go, girl. You get brave. Better get up there before Nico get you again. Come on, Diamond. Move on. Let's go. There's plenty up here at the other end. Are you not scared of the scarecrow? Are you not scared of the scarecrow? She's still getting it, y'all. I raised tough chickens. See this, I'm over here tough and non-living. Get out of the woods. Get on those yonder. Come on. Lightning, I know you're the agitator. They get up in these musty dimes and I'll never fight. Come on, we're going to go back in the house. You hear me? Y'all want to go in? Back around there. Come on now. I'll let you play in the garden. Give you free time. Let's do it. There's my diamond. There's my diamond. She's my diamond. Yes, she's my diamond. My diamond. Oh, my diamond. We're trying to put y'all up. I'm just trying to get you to stay out the woods. I don't listen to nothing. I wish you'd find you a big old juicy worm. By the time I walk over and move this camera, they'll be scattered into somewhere else. Be patient, they're coming around. Yeah. Hey, Diamond. Hey, Diamond. What you doing, Diamond? What you doing, sweet baby? Come see Mama. Come see Mama. Come here, Diamond. Mama's not gonna cut your wings. No, ma'am. I'm not gonna do it, but you get out here and you eat all the turnip greens you want to, girl. Yeah, you eat them turnip greens. Get you some turnip greens, girl. Leghorn, can you not figure it out, child? Honey child, honey child. Can you not figure it out? Y'all gonna fight through the fence? That's real smart. That's real smart. Nico, no. Hey, don't get too carried away now. Tell him, Diamond. Tell him, Diamond, don't get too far away. Mama get you with her stick. Not to get shock collars for my chickens. I'm gonna have to get shock collars for my chickens. Hey, you get out my radishes. Get out my radishes now. You. There you go. There you go. Yep. Come on, girls. Here they go back down here. These dogs will pretend that y'all are fried ass diamond. They will get you and eat you. Get around there in the turnip green. Why y'all gotta base the daggum nosy? You ain't gotta have the whole yard. Mercy. Mercy. Tell 'em, Diamond. Tell 'em, Diamond. Or leave it alone. Ah, let me get you, Nico. Girls going to the back again, breaking the rules. Breaking the rules. Oh, mercy. All right, y'all either be good or I'm going to put you up. No fighting. Ain't y'all act like Diamond. Why can't they do it, Diamond? Why can't they act like you? Why can't they, Diamond? getting over yonder. They like getting to where I can't see them. What am I gonna do with them, girl? Nico, Daddy gonna get you. Daddy gonna get you. Tomatoes still on the vine. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Go ahead and pull them. Let the girls have them. Put these right out here in the sun. Yep. Nico? Chicky, chicky, chicky! Chicky! Hush, Nico. I'm gonna try some new stuff. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow I'm gonna go in the office and work a little while. See. Ooh, he's a monster. See what we can do. No. Y'all see me carrying ribbon through. Okay, it's like this. Say this. Be sure to cut your ribbons off. Girls are somewhere around here. Diamond's still walking around. I'm gonna move y'all this way. Get y'all a better shot on Pecker Prison here. The lights are fixing to come on. I'm gonna have to get the chickens in. So I need to cut these ribbons. Because chickens don't eat. They're not goats, y'all. Just like babies. Alright, girls, I hear y'all over there. It's getting dark. Let's go. Come on. Chicky.
Take my scissors?
Yep, I got them.
What are you doing with them?
Cutting ribbons off the vine. Let go. No hush. Come on, girls. and says, Daddy, I'm done. I just gotta go to bed. I just gotta go to bed. Come on, Diamond. Time for bed, baby. Come on, girls. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chick, chick, chicky. That was another Jeep. Well, never mind.
What?
Never mind. We all live. Not live. Video. I got more likes, subscribers. You? No, I don't have 1,000 up off. Nico was off the chain this morning. They made sweet sunflowers. Oh, she gave some. Diamond's still pushing it, ain't she? She's a pushing it. Mom and Daddy ain't gonna let nothing get me. So the street light might have come on, y'all, but porch light ain't come on yet. Tell 'em, Diamond. Tell 'em. We got it's and be 20. It's 25 minutes, Papa. Now we're gonna get the girls up and we're gonna cut their wings. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She gonna be easy, Papa. Right here. And I got Nico in case he goes to barking. It's hanging right there. Let's get this one out of here and see if she's done been cut. Now, we're not gonna be like that. We ain't gonna be like that. I just wanna look. She done. Excuse me. Miss Thing. Wrong chicken. Wrong chicken. Go on to bed. Go on to bed. Okay, don't go to bed. If you get picked up again, that's your fault. Oh, okay. Oh, I wouldn't let them that was out come in and get no eggshells, no squash. Oh my God. You ought to heard the ruckus.
What you trying to fight with that jungle in there?
I just pulled the tomatoes out. I'm fixing to try to catch chickens. I don't want them to fall on my ass. Come here. Come here. Where's my sassy? Where's my sassy? Where's my sassy? My sassy? Is that my sassy?
Shut up.
Oh, is that my sassy? Is that my sassy? Is that my sassy? Is that my sassy? Aw. 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 Let's see. Oh, it's okay, right, Wayne? Daddy? I got sassy. Come right down. Good girl. Mama gonna put you in there. Good girl, yeah. This is how we do it. Who else wants to come say mama? Come on, come say mama and daddy. Come on, chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Come on. Who wants to come say mama? You may let you go to bed? That's gonna be a horrible mess. But y'all do what you gotta do. Go on about your bath there.
Just let them go to bed. When I go to bed with them one by one, put them back out here. When we get done with them, one time I let them back in. No.
Okay.
Look at there.
Here, y'all. I don't know if y'all know it or not, but we live by Mafia Motorsports. He's our neighbor, Tommy Blackard. Check that Jeep out. If I was to take y'all for a look, y'all would not believe your eyes. Well, we're fixing to be at 39 minutes. No, 29 minutes. Fixing to be at 30. Daddy said cut them off. Cut you off at 30. I'm sorry, y'all. But the lights is on. Chickens are going to bed. Yep. So y'all seen us do one. So that means that Diamond, Lightning, and 2 Sapphire Gems has been cut. We only like 6 more chickens, y'all. Maybe tomorrow, y'all will take us a walk over to my neighbor's. See what he's doing. Probably just to look at the cars. But then this weekend when he gets home, I will take y'all to Mafia Motorsports. My neighbor. Very proud to have good neighbors around here. Thank y'all for staying for 30 minutes. If you can, hit like, subscribe, most important. View it. View it, please. View it. Share it. Like, subscribe, ring my bell. Y'all have a good night.